My dear friends, as you know that our training classes are going on, and today we are availing of our just jam test class. This is not a traffic jam or this is not a jam. First of all, I want to tell you what is the full form of jam test class. Jam test class means just a minute class. In this class, I will not give you time to think. In this class, you have to show your fluency and you have to show your confidence. Jam test class is very important in the field of spoken English. If you really want to get fluency, if you really want to speak natural English, you should avail of this class. So this class is very important in the field of spoken English. That's all.
Kajal Kumari, I want to ask you a question. My question is that please tell me, what do you think about spoken English?
I think that spoken English is very important. If you really want to speak natural English, if you really want to get a job in government sector, you need of English. If you want to join any banking sector, if you want to join any defense sector, then there is need of English, and for that, spoken English is very important.
Is English call of the day?
Yes, sir. English is call of the day, because if you don't know English, the people of your society, the people of your locality will don't give you respect. They will insult you. If you know English, then they will respect.
Miss Kajal, I want to ask you a question. Please tell me. You availed of your classes at this institute, so I want to ask you a question. My question is that please tell me, what do you think about oral test class?
I think that oral class is very important, because with the help of oral test, you can know about your ability. You will know how much have you learned from the topics from the help of oral test.
And there is a question in my heart. According to your sentiment, please tell me: is oral test class is better than written test?
Yes, sir. Oral test class is better than written test, but because in written test you can copy, but in oral test you can't copy. You have to give.
It means because of written test you can become a copycat.
Yes, sir.
Acha, I want to ask you a question. My question is that please tell me, your training is going on, so I want to ask you a question. My question is that please tell me, which class did you like most?
In my training classes, I like most conversation class. It is because of conversation class you can improve your conversation skills. You can improve your body language. It is because of conversation class you can you can develop your confidence. You can remove your hesitation. It is because of conversation class you will know how to converse with the people in English, and you can.
And tell me something about cut and action class.
Cut and action class is very important. In this and that class, sir will provide you a topic, and sir will ask you question from any part, and from there then sir will cut you, and then sir will ask you next question, and then you have to answer the question.
Would you like to tell me something about your story problem class? What is the importance of a story problem class?
Yes,
what is the need of a story problem class for learners?
A story problem class is very important for the learners, because story problem class is the starting of training class. If you don't avail of story problems class, then you will don't know about the syllabus of the training class. If you avail of story problem class, then you can improve your structures, then you can improve your tenses and miscellaneous. It is because of.
Would you like to tell me something about your institute where you have improved your English?
Of course, I would like to tell something about my institute. I improved my English from Candidate Spoken Center. Candidate Spoken Center is a very good center in our locality. If you really want to speak fluent English, then you should join this center. The preceptor or the teacher of this institute will provide you the thing which is needed in spoken English. If you really want to improve your English, then you should join this center. You should join spoken. You should join Candidate Spoken Center.
I want to ask you a question. My question is that please tell me, is English important for Bihari girls?
English is very important for Bihari girls, because people think that Bihari girls can't speak English. If Bihari girls go to any state, go to any country, then there is a need of English. If you don't know English, the people of that state will insult you. They will not give you respect. They will tell you that she is a Bihari girl, she can't speak English. But if you know English, then then you can impress them. Then you can.
Suppose that they are your junior students. So I want to ask you a question. My question is that please tell me, they are your juniors. Being a senior, what would you like to suggest to them to improve English?
Being their senior, I want to suggest them, if they really want to improve their spoken English, then they should practice the topic the topic sir will teach them, and they should read the news. They should read the newspaper. They should listen to the BBC news. They should listen to sports which is being commentary in English. They should not miss even a single class.
Acha, what is the need of vocabularies? What is the need of word power?
In a spoken class, word power is very important. If you don't know what is the meaning of the word, then you can't speak that word in any sentence.
Well, very good.